Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple yet powerful feature in WordPress called Spotlight Mode. This tool makes editing your website smoother, more precise, and a lot less overwhelming. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to spotlight any element on your site and take control of your design like a pro. Let's dive in. Logging in first, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Click the login button in the top right corner. For a faster and more secure experience, select Continue with Google. This ensures you're using the account linked to your WordPress profile, so everything stays synced and smooth. Once prompted, pick the correct Google account associated with your WordPress. This step is important. It keeps your website connected to your login credentials, avoiding any issues while editing. After logging in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. Look for the Edit Site option. It's your gateway to the site editor where all the magic happens. Click it and you'll enter the intuitive WordPress editor. Now that you're in the editor, focus your attention on the top right corner. Click the three dots to open the menu and then select Spotlight Mode. This feature instantly transforms your editing experience. With Spotlight Mode active, you'll notice that one element at a time is highlighted, making it easier to see exactly what you're working on. This is perfect for precise adjustments, whether you're editing text, images, or layout components. It reduces distractions so you can focus entirely on the element you want to edit. And that's it. Spotlight Mode in WordPress is a game changer for anyone who wants clean, precise, and efficient website editing. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.